Hello everyone! Let's get started crocheting the trim with beads. For demonstration, I will make a row of double crochet stitches. It can be your favorite crochet project. Let's make some chains. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have done 10 chains. Then chain 3 to wing of the yarn. Then yarn over the hook and make double crochet into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. And make double crochet into each chain stitch of the foundation chain. I have done a row of double crochet stitches. This is the front side of the pattern. Now I am working with back side. Make a chain. Turn the work to the back side. Insert the hook into the first stitch, make single crochet. I have done single crochet and now draw some beads. I am working with seed beads. In my case, I am using 3 seed beads. Then yarn over the hook and make a chain with 3 seed beads. Then insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet. Then make a slip stitch. And my picot with 3 seed beads is ready. Then single crochet one more time. And let's stop and look at work. Let's look at our picot with 3 seed beads. As you can see, my picot is visible on the front side. Here how it looks. This picot can be perfect for baby blanket, scarf, bracelet, belt, coaster, or another accessories that you would like to make. Let's repeat again. First of all, I am making single crochet through the next stitch. Then draw 3 seed beads. Make a chain with 3 seed beads and work with the slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. And single crochet through the next stitch. Let's stop and look at my second picot. I have done 2 of them. Make single crochet, draw 3 seed beads, and let's work with the third picot. Make a chain with 3 seed beads and make a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. And single crochet through the next stitch. Let's repeat one more time. Single crochet through the next stitch, draw 3 seed beads and make a chain with seed beads and slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet to finish the picot. Make single crochet into the next stitch. Let's stop and look. I have done 4 picots, so keep working in this way till the end of this row. And my example is ready. I remind you, I was working on the back side of my row. Let's turn the work to the front. I have got beautiful trim border for any project. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media and crochet with me. Thanks for watching. Bye!